Thousand Pillar Temple. Usually we call a temple with the name of god or goddesses, but here temple is named by its spectacular architecture. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This Thousand Pillar Temple is located in Hanmakonda, Warangal, which is 9 km from Warangal railway station. This temple was constructed during the period between 1175 to 1324 by order of the king Rudradeva. This temple is also called as Rudreswara Temple. This temple is identified as protected site by Archaeological Department of India. This temple is added in the tentative list of UNESCO World Heritage Site. From the top view, temple looks like star shape. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, Vishnu and Surya. So that's why it's called as Trikutalayam. And there is a stepped well at the corner of the temple. This is Kalyana Mandapam with 300 pillars. Present, this Kalyana Mandapam is under renovation by Archaeological Department. They found some interesting facts while renovating this mandapam. This Kalyana Mandapam was built by using sandbox foundation technique. We know that Nandi is opposite to Lord Shiva in any Shiva temple, but in this temple it's different. Nandi is opposite to Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva is opposite to Lord Surya. This Nandi statue is made from a single stone. The jewelry on Nandi shows that the architectural skills of Kakatiyas. There is a hall at the center of the temple. It is called as Natya Mandapam. The artwork on the pillars stand out to be a masterpiece. Lord Vishnu and Lord Surya idols in the temple were destroyed by Tughlaq dynasty during the invasion of Deccan. The total pillars of main temple and Kalyana Mandapam is approximately equals to 1000. So that's why it's called as 1000 pillar temple. This temple is constructed by interlocking technique so that we can't see gap between the blocks. This temple is in Kakatiya and Chalukyan architecture. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.